Samsung is set to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra early next year, and it's packed with new features. Here are 5 key reasons to get excited about this flagship release. The Ultra variant represents Samsung's peak in both hardware and software. This device has everything a flagship enthusiast could want, and with this next version, Samsung is elevating the Ultra specs through 5 notable upgrades. Display. Samsung's Ultra devices are renowned for their screens, and the S24 Ultra led the way with its slimmer bezels. It came with a 6.8-inch Quad HD Plus display with rounded corners and a max refresh rate of 120 Hz. According to recent reports, the S25 Ultra will refine the display by rounding not only the corners but also the middle frame. Unlike its predecessor, this model will feature a flat frame highlighting the thin display edges. This will mark the first time Samsung opts for a flat frame over curved edges. The S25 Ultra may slightly increase the screen size to 6.86 inches and include a new LED composition, enhancing both visual quality and viewing angles. With these display adjustments and a new frame design, Samsung aims for a lighter, slimmer device for an improved in-hand feel. Performance. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, offering a 45% performance boost, a 44% improvement in power efficiency, and a larger shared data cache. Its new Adreno GPU architecture brings a 40% boost in both performance and gaming frame efficiency. The Hexagon NPU in the Snapdragon 8 Elite can handle AI tasks with a 45% performance boost, delivering similar enhancements in performance per watt and supporting longer token inputs. Camera. The S25 Ultra will carry over the 200MP main camera, a 10MP secondary telephoto with 3x zoom, and a 50MP primary periscope lens with 5x zoom, similar to the previous Ultra. However, a notable upgrade is a new 50MP ultra-wide-angle lens. This addition will enhance photography and videography quality, aligning it with the main camera's standards. The Snapdragon 8 Elite's AI, coupled with its Hexagon NPU, will enable advanced camera features and improve 4K photo and videography, including tools like Video Object Remover for enhanced image editing. Battery. The upcoming S series will likely maintain the 5,000 mAh battery from its predecessor with 45-watt fast charging support. However, enhanced software and chip optimizations could improve power efficiency and extend battery life. Software. One UI 7 will launch with the Galaxy S25 series, featuring fresh graphical changes, including redesigned quick settings for better interactivity. Beyond UI enhancements, Samsung has simplified the interface and refined key system elements like settings and in-device searches with AI. AI-driven improvements could also impact system apps, especially the camera app, boosting quality enhancements. Satellite connectivity is expected as part of this OS upgrade. With One UI 7, Samsung continues to prioritize security and privacy with new tools such as anti-theft measures and enhanced app permission controls from Android 15. Are you excited for the Galaxy S25 Ultra? I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.